Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah Sketches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got from this clothing shop called Ivory. And by the way, I'm not sponsoring their clothing shop, I'm just going to be showing you what I got. So the first thing it comes with is all these different kind of stickers. It comes with one sticker, and that's the sticker I've got. It's adorable. And the second thing is it comes with their logo that says, "You are incredible, valuable," all those kind of quotes. So yeah, and the thing I've got from Ivory is this purple neon long sleeve shirt, and I love it so much. And their clothing shop is also to save elephants, which I think is a really good thing, and I love their clothing so much. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!